Okay, here we are. We have arrived at the Mendon Ponds Park to feed the songbirds here. My honey's taken me on a nice romantic trip. This is what he knows touches my heart. Feeding the birds. I'm the bird lady.
Whoa, something big over there. I don't like that.
The blue jay. He's over there. He just came up over there.
See him up there? Maybe that's the hawk.
Look at the guy right there. How close you are to him.
Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, you're mad cool. Yeah, dude, you're like really cool, dude. Your hair is like awesome. You see me? You see me? Oh, I don't. Now you see me. Now you don't. Now you see me.
I think this is where I think you just gotta sit here. This is where they come to, so why wouldn't they come to your hand? Right? This is the most I've seen the birds.
Oh, yes.
I think we probably should have been sitting here the whole time.